That's Swiss, isn't it?
That's the one.
Hey guys, welcome back to Claudie Cooks. How are you all doing out there today? Recently my daughter and I have been watching a lot of French food videos, and I've seen one that's called Croque Monsieur. Basically it's cheese and ham toasties, and today we're going to recreate that together. Come over here with me now. I'm going to go through the ingredients that we will need for today. We've got some grated mozzarella, some Emmental cheese, some French Gruyere, milk, this whole fat, some lovely French ham, bay leaf, nutmeg, Dijon mustard, and salt. Here we've got some salt, some unsalted butter, black pepper of course, some bread, and some flour. Are we ready? Yay! Right, to this heated pan here I'm adding 30 grams of unsalted butter. Let's give it a little swish around to help it to melt. I think this is gonna be so good. Right, I'm making some bechamel sauce, right, and that's gonna go on top of our cheese toasties. Right, time to add the flour, and this is 30 grams of all-purpose flour. Giving this, combining the flour and butter together. I'm gonna let this cook out for about 2 minutes to take the rawness from the flour. It's 2 minutes. And now for the milk. I'm going to add this really slowly rather than just pouring it all together. Okay. So a bit at a time. Keep on whisking around. I'm going to switch from the spatula to the whisk.
If you want, I can help you.
Yes, please. Thank you. Almost there.
It's the most important part of the job that I'm doing.
Yes, it is.
Have to mention that.
And you're right. Look at that. Look how lovely it's looking already. And just to add to that, you know, this is a base to, if you want to turn this into a lasagna, or your lasagna, or macaroni cheese for that matter. You just add your cheese, the different cheeses and whatever else you want to add to that. So this is a really good sauce to use in lots of different dishes. Right, there we are. All nice and smooth. Right. This is about 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. It's not as spicy as English mustard, and to that I'm adding a pinch of salt. And I'm adding in a bit of garlic granules because I love the taste of garlic. And it just adds extra oomph to the dish.
That's what Claudie Cooks is all about.
Indeed. And I'm adding a bay leaf. A bit of spice, because we're spicy over here. A few shakes of crushed cheese. And we're going to add a bit of black pepper. And give it just enough for taste. And to that, yes, we're going to add some nutmeg. smells great. If you don't have whole nutmeg, you can just use the powdered stuff. But I like to use this because it smells delicious and tastes divine. There we go. Time to mix. Once I start to get thick, I'm going to turn the heat down and we're going to leave it and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Okay, so this is the bread we are using today, but you can use any bread you want, okay? And before I put everything on, I've lightly toasted this bread first. And now we're going to layer up, okay? So we're going to start with placing some nice French ham on here because this is French, so we're trying to use as much French stuff as we can. Alright, I'm gonna pop the ham, and then now for the bechamel sauce. Right. Look at this. You could eat it before it's even finished. I'm gonna smooth that all on in a minute. There we go. Right, my hands are clean. Alright, so this is the first step. Okay, time for the cheeses.
What cheeses are you using,
Right,
Mum?
we're using here mozzarella and Emmental cheese. But I guess you can use, you know, other cheese if you like that. But I'm trying to do the French way. Okay, so a bit more of this one on. And then so we've got 3 cheeses on. I've decided I'm going to put another slice of ham on top of here, okay, because we've got 2 spare one hanging about.
And then you just added a little bit more bechamel sauce, didn't you, Mum?
Yes, I did,
Because
just
you
to
added
hold the
extra.
bread in place.
Yeah,
Yeah.
lovely, lovely.
Okay. Rest of the bechamel sauce. I bet you can't wait to eat this. I know you're gonna go and make it after you see this one.
That's exactly what we've done, isn't it? Like
Yeah.
we watched the video and then we were inspired straight away.
Exactly. It's all about inspiring each other.
Yeah.
I'm all about that. There we go. It's like we're doing a bit of painting, aren't
Oh
we?
my God, I'm actually so hungry.
I know, I'm feeling it too. I'm feeling it too.
Okay.
There's a bit of mess over there.
Uh-oh, we'll be back. Okay, we are back and the cheese has been removed. Lovely, lovely.
Right, let's go. Wow.
It's just like one of those really hearty sandwiches, isn't it?
Yes, you know, because this could be like a brunch, or you can have this as a dinner, if a quick dinner with a
Yeah.
bit of side salad on it.
That's what I was actually
know?
thinking earlier on
Yeah.
today. You could just have it as a dinner.
Yeah.
So we'll have this with a little salad as well, won't we, Mum?
Yeah, we will, my darling. We will. Look at that.
Get a little close up.
Yeah, so you can get
Whoa.
a good look at it. At our creation.
And so this will just go in the oven at about 200 degrees for 10 minutes.
Yes, and we'll be done. Are you ready?
Let's put it in the oven.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Wow. Look at these babies.
That's so good.
Oh, goodness. Looks amazing. Turn it this way.
You're going to cut.
Yes.
Do the honours and cut so we can show the
Yes.
viewers how it looks inside.
Are you guys ready for this?
We're
Let's
ready.
wait for the big reveal. Wow. Wow. Wow.
Let's see the inside.
Look at this. Wow.
Actually looks so good. Okay,
And
let's
then
plate
too.
out.
Woo.
Delicious. Croque Monsieur for the first time.
Yeah.
With some salad. Or a lunch. We could have possibly only just done the one sandwich,
I
you know. Crikey.
It's enough for both of us, isn't it?
Bon appetit, as they say.
Wow.
Okay, so I guess it's time to taste. Okay, you go first, you go first.
Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, I'm just gonna have to go in.
Right, cheers.
Cheers.
So guys, I just got a pop-up message that my phone ran out of storage. And Mum's carried on eating. She even waited for me to like delete some stuff.
My
But anyway,
gosh.
this is good. This is really good.
Listen to.
Okay, so how did you find making Croque Monsieur for the first time?
I thought it was going to be a lot harder than this, but it was really simple and easy. And I'm telling you, this is absolutely delicious. The creaminess of the cheeses inside, a little bit of mustard, the nutmeg. Oh my gosh, it just takes it to another level.
Well, this has taken many attempts to do because we keep eating when we should be filming. So Mum, close us out.
Guys, sorry if I've got crumbs on my face, but I was enjoying that sandwich and I need to go and finish my lunch with my daughter. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends and family. Look forward to seeing your comments about this dish. Love you.
Bon appétit!
Bon
À tout à l'heure!